We've already started seeing legal advertisements and lawsuits being filed against business owners for their alleged responsibility for someone contracting COVID-19. If these lawsuits proceed unchecked, many more businesses, many more jobs will be lost.
Senate Bill 42 has three goals. The first is to protect healthcare entities from unreasonable liability in the provision of medical care during the pandemic. The second is to protect businesses, churches, schools, other entities from exposure liability on their premises if they reasonably follow guidelines in an attempt to limit exposure for their patrons and their employees. Third is to protect manufacturers and all those involved in the distribution.
I cannot stress enough how important this legislation is to our economic recovery. The sponsors today outlined that perfectly. We need this legislation for businesses to safely reopen and remain open throughout the recovery. We also obviously support the provisions in the bill protecting healthcare providers and manufacturers of PPE. These heroes are really saving lives every day, and we can't take that for granted, and we need to make sure they have protections.
We've seen many other states do a similar approach, and Missouri needs to catch up to them, frankly, so we can reopen and refire the economy on all cylinders.